Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Middle Eastern styled grilled chicken steak. So let's continue with the video. Now this grilled chicken steak is very juicy, very tender, and as you take the first bite, it's very blissful. And with that said, do follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and do subscribe to our channel, and catch you in the next one.